Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO V21, and today I'll show you how to wipe cache partition on this phone. So to get started, first you want to hold the power key and select power off. Once the device turns off, hold power key and volume up at the same time. This will boot you into fast boot mode, so from here, using volume keys, you want to select recovery mode and then confirm it with power key. So from here, click on clear data, select clear cache, confirm it, and there we go, you're done. So now all you need to do is back out of it and select restart, OK, and this will take you back to Android. So there we go. If you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.